sees the hungry ferret.
Hey everybody, today we got the Victorinox Fibrox 8-inch chef knife. This version from Amazon is in the frustration-free packaging. So let's take a look inside. The knife is well packaged and secure. It comes in a sleeve, but it's not meant for travel. Once the sticker's out of the way, you can slide the knife out. Just from picking up the knife, you could tell this is stamped steel. And just to remind you, this is one of the 2 companies that can make Swiss Army knives. The handle is a hard plastic rubbery grip. Most likely the knife will not slip when your hands are wet. So let's test the sharpness. So out of the box, the knife is not razor sharp like a Japanese knife, but it's pretty sharp. I could easily slice through magazine paper. The blade is 8 inches. The handle is a little bit more than 5. So let's compare it to my other knives. So the bottom is a Schmidt Brothers 6-inch Petit. This is another J. Henkel 6-inch knife. The 8 inch is longer, obviously, but it's not much of a difference. The blade is also stamped, and is not very heavy. Also, because the knife is thin, it flexes. Even though it's an 8-inch knife, it's still lighter than most other knives. It also fits perfectly in a travel case by Victorinox. So let's cut some chicken. So I'm going to try debone the chicken here. Even though it's not super sharp like a Japanese knife, I had no trouble deboning this chicken thigh. So with just a few cuts, the bone is free. There's some leftover meat, but I'm pretty much going to use that for chicken soup. It also does a pretty good job of trimming the edges and removing the cartilage. Now let's slice the tomato. The knife has no trouble slicing through a tomato. Out of the box, I'm able to slice these really thin slices of tomato. Harder vegetables like Brussels sprouts aren't an issue either. I'm able to finely mince them. Chopping with this knife is pretty good. Asparagus, not much of an issue either. It makes quick work of garlic. I'm able to mince it very nicely too. Due to the smooth sides of the blade, when I cut large items like potatoes, it does stick to the side of the blade. But overall, potatoes are not our problem either. Overall, this knife is pretty nice. For $35, the construction, build, and usability of this knife is excellent. I would say this knife is geared towards more commercial kitchens. It's very inexpensive, it's light, it's very easy to use. With a regular grip, it's comfortable. I did have trouble using pinch grip, but you have to have a certain knife for that. When you get a chance, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.